Hi, I'm Lucius Dixon, President of the South Carolina Baptist Congress of Christian Education, where we are transforming people to become God's glorious church through Christian education. This is our 5-year theme. I want to welcome pastors and delegates and the Christian community to continue to support the South Carolina Baptist Congress of Christian Education. I am encouraged by the words of the prophet Isaiah in Isaiah 43:19, which says, "Behold, I will do a new thing. Now it shall spring forth. Shall you not know it? I will even make a way in the wilderness and rivers in the desert." God has protected us through this pandemic, and we are blessed to serve the church still. We need your prayers and support as we anticipate a strong comeback from COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you for supporting the Congress First Christian Educational Workshop, January 15, 2022. The Congress team is committed to continue to serve the state in offering training and leadership. I want to inform you that for each workshop, this administration will offer a seminar for pastors and associate ministers of their church. The Reverend Dr. Isaac Hope, who will lead those classes. We will also offer Christian activities for children as well during each workshop. A very large part of the success of the workshops comes through the office of the Congress Dean, the Reverend Mitchell Adjo. Dean of the South Carolina Baptist Congress of Christian Education. And Dean, will you share with us some of the activities as we prepare for the VBS on the 12th of February? Dean Adjo.
Thank you, Dr. Dixon. We're excited about our journey as we take place on February 12th, 2022, as we share in our Vacation Bible School. We will be offering classes that will help our teachers to help teachers during this virtual time of learning and face-to-face. One of the classes that we're really excited about is making the Bible become alive for children. Our instructor will be able to help other teachers to help them virtually to make this Bible come alive. And then we're excited about our Vacation Bible School Craft for All Ages. We're excited because this class will teach those who will be doing Vacation Bible School this year how to actually do craft.
All right.
Virtually as well as face-to-face. We're excited because we have two exciting teachers that will be teaching this class. So we're looking forward, Dean, our president as Dean, to share in this grand, great teaching experience on February 12th, 2022.
Thank you, Dean. I certainly am worked up and looking forward to you sharing these classes with the state of South Carolina and all of our delegates. We want you to continue to pray for the South Carolina Baptist Congress of Christian Education as we continue to train and implement programs and ministries for the state of South Carolina. I want to also take my hat off to the team, the dream team, the South Carolina Baptist Congress team, who is working behind the scene and on the scene, making sure, Dean, that we have a sufficient turnout for the South Carolina Baptist Congress Christian Education. So we're looking forward to this VBS workshop on the 12th of February to be one of the greatest of ever in the history of the South Carolina Baptist Congress of Christian Education. And to my staff, thank you for being very vigilant in your participation and in preparing us for this upcoming VBS. Dean, do you have a closing remark that you'd like to share with the congregation?
Again, I want to say thank you for entrusting and electing me to become your dean. We're looking forward, as our president has said, the dream team. We thank you for your cooperation as well, and we're looking forward in having you come, not only for the farewell workshop, but we're looking forward for March and April, the annual session. We're looking forward to having a great turnout. Thank you, Mr. President.
God bless you, Dean, and we're looking forward to having more work together as we continue to serve the people of South Carolina. God bless you. Have a beautiful day, and we look forward to seeing you on February the 12th for the VBS Congress Workshop. Have a beautiful day.